Think like a winner. Winners are not only people who win trophies or medals. A winner is someone who has the right mindset, the right way of thinking. Thinking like a winner means believing in yourself, staying positive, and never giving up, even when life is difficult. Anyone can think like a winner if they choose to develop the right attitude. The first step to thinking like a winner is believing in yourself. Many people fail before they even try because they do not believe they can succeed. A winner's mind says, "I can do this." This belief gives energy and courage. For example, if you want to learn English, you must believe you can do it, even if it feels hard in the beginning. The second step is setting clear goals. Winners know where they are going. They make a plan and follow it. A person who wants to run a marathon does not just wake up and run 42 kilometers. They train step by step with smaller goals. In the same way, if you want to succeed in life, set clear goals daily, weekly, and monthly, and celebrate each small achievement. Another important quality of winners is focus. Life is full of distractions, phones, games, social media, or negative people. Winners learn to focus on what really matters. They know that every minute is valuable. If you spend your time wisely, you will reach your goals faster. For example, instead of watching TV for 2 hours, you could read, study, or practice a skill. Winners also have resilience. This means the ability to stand up again after failure. Everyone fails at some point. The difference between losers and winners is that losers give up, but winners try again. Think about a child learning to walk. The child falls many times but keeps trying until they succeed. Adults can learn the same lesson. Failure is not the end, it is only part of the journey. Another step to thinking like a winner is positive thinking. Winners see challenges as opportunities. Instead of saying, "This problem is too big," they say, "This problem will make me stronger." Positive thinking gives hope, and hope gives strength to continue. Even when things go wrong, a winner looks for the lesson inside the problem. Winners also practice discipline. Discipline is the power to do what is necessary even when you do not feel like it. For example, a winner who wants to be healthy exercises regularly, not only when they feel motivated. Discipline is stronger than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you moving forward every day. Another important value is gratitude. Winners are thankful for what they have, even while they work for more. Gratitude gives peace of mind and makes life happier. When you focus on what you already have, your health, your family, your opportunities, you feel rich inside. Gratitude creates positive energy that helps you continue your journey. Winners also surround themselves with supportive people. The people around you can lift you up or pull you down. Winners choose friends who believe in them, encourage them, and inspire them. If you want to think like a winner, spend more time with people who are positive and hardworking, and less time with those who complain and quit easily. Finally, winners always keep learning. They read, listen, and observe. They know that success is not the end but a new beginning. Each success opens the door to new challenges and new growth. Winners stay humble and open-minded, always ready to improve. In conclusion, thinking like a winner is not about luck or talent. It is about mindset. Believe in yourself, set goals, stay focused, be resilient, think positively, practice discipline, show gratitude, choose the right people, and never stop learning. If you follow these steps, you will not only think like a winner, you will live like one.